Hi everyone, it's Galen. Today I'm here representing Unity Stamp Company. I'm one of their design team members, and I have a really cute Thanksgiving turkey wine bottle tag, and I'm showing you how to make it from scratch. I have this sweet stamp by Tiara Jackson. It's from the kit called Cuttlebug Turkey. It's got a cute sentiment and a darling turkey. And I am going to use a few different mediums. I'm going to stencil and distress the background with Distress Oxide ink. I'm using a small blending brush. It's actually a makeup brush. I'm using various Copic markers. I'm not sure which ones exactly I'm going to use at this stage. You can look on my blog for the exact colors I used. I'm using a bone folder and a scoring board and a Tim Holtz stencil, a herringbone stencil. And I'm also using a sheet of cardstock. I trimmed it with a paper trimmer to the size of 8 inches by 3¼ inches. I scored it at 3½ inches using a scoring board. I cut the insert, I trimmed the turkey insert at 4½ inches by 2¾ inches. And that's an easy way just to make a quick wine tag or a door tag. I used a hole punch, actually a circle punch, that the circle diameter is 1¾ inches. And I just punched the short side that is scored so that the wine bottle or the doorknob can go through that. Now, there's a couple different parts to this. I made a background, and I also colored the turkey. I went online and tried to find what turkeys look like, and so I just got some inspiration from a photo online, and I decided to make the turkey more of a darker gray color with a little golden and yellow accents in the back. I did my best just to try to mimic what a regular turkey would look like. I used Copic markers in various colors. In between the colors, I go ahead and use a 0 Copic marker color. It actually has a bleaching effect, so sometimes I will just color it in solid and come back with that 0 to make some of the areas lighter. It sort of looks like it's blended a little bit better. So, you go over it. I think just about every area I used the 0 after I colored it. And if you wait a couple of minutes, it lightens even more. And so I'm just adding Copics to the turkey and to the ground, and it's really sweet. It's darling. You can use any kind of markers and inks for stamping as long as they're compatible. Now for the background, I used this stencil. Didn't have a big enough stencil to cover that whole sheet, so I stenciled on a couple different layers or different times. I used painter's tape to tape down the stencil over the background wine tag paper. I am variegating colors from the Distress Oxide ink. I use the colors of Vintage Photo and Spiced Marmalade, and I just alternate and variegate the colors. Now I'm just gently peeling off the painter's tape, and I'm going to turn the background upside down and just cover what I missed. There's a small edge that did not get colored. The stencil wasn't over that section, so I just trimmed it off. And I made sure that the turkey panel fit inside there nicely. There you go. It's very easy to do. You can use pattern paper for the background if you like. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you take a moment to like and follow and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you.